My name is Coach Reggie Meraflor, head coach of futsal team Negros. Um, by Pontevedra, no? We bring the school of Catalino Suligin National High School. Little bit background of our team, preparation namon ng after the provincial meet, nagpadayon kami dayon prepare for the regional meet. Amon experience during game dire pagkadto na on the first game may little bit adjustment maging mga bata because of the size of the field. And so far tapos ang first game nakuha na namon ang naka-adapt sa field and na-adjust ang kabataan. Nakita man namon ang strategies kung paano namon ma-solve ang mga circumstances nga pwede possibilities nga mag-go through something kag ang possible nga kontrahon. Pero yung one thing gid nga for the team siguro for the team success as I mentioned always to the kids nga we play for Jesus amo gid ang emblem namon, no? Audience of one kay ari kami sa Antique, especially in the championship game gindalaan di kami crowds ang Iloilo, so psychologically bothered ang mga bata sa muna, but because of the principles and the concept na audience of one, so they are still motivated and strong fighter until the end of the whistles ng game. So that's why we achieved to become a successful team in this regional meet. So siguro as we prepare naman for the palaro ng right after gaan na break man ng mga bata to unwind, recovery for their sacrifices nila, no? Gaan man sila time for their self mananay. Then after that in a week, kay gamay lang man ang period of time, so mabalik kami for the rigid training as we prepare our team for the palarong pambansa in this coming May 24 to June 2. I think amo lang na siguro, no? Kung mahambal ko mic. Wala na bahala ko dito.